Alright, we're working on the 1978 Ford F-150 Ranger. And today I finally got the power steering pump back on. And that power steering return line is off the Pontiac in the yard. You know, I was supposed to always haul stuff away, but it seems like it always comes in handy. Because there you go. Now you got a brand new power steering return line. Even got the clamps off that car. So, came in pretty handy. Oh. I'm not going to test it tonight. I'm going to call that enough for today. Been a pretty long day, so we're going to leave it at that. And this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.